Hello everyone, this is Alexey with Christmas edition of Power Semiconductors Weekly. Thank you all once again for following my market updates on LinkedIn. Soon we will hit 10,000 subscribers for my monthly newsletter. As for Power Semiconductors Weekly platform, it has been launched in July, and since July it has been growing fast, delivering you the latest news in power semiconductors industry, product updates, market events, and much more. And I'd like to say that starting January, you will also have the access to the latest industry papers. And that's not all. In 2024, there will be many more updates, so stay tuned for more information. And for the companies who want to stand out in power semiconductors world using my platform, starting January, I'm offering several options. To learn more, please send me an email to news@powersemiconductorsweekly.com. And now, let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. With the continuous growth of the electric vehicles industry, many companies start to shift from legacy silicon to silicon carbide and gallium nitride. Tier 1 and IMs present new projects using silicon carbide and gallium nitride, bare chips, discretes and modules. For the traction inverters, onboard chargers, DC-DC converters, silicon carbide started to shake silicon automotive market some time ago. And now, gallium nitride may shake silicon carbide in terms of the above-mentioned electric vehicles equipment. In my recent poll, I asked the industry community to share their thoughts on the leading semiconductor technology for the electric vehicles industry in the next 5 years. As expected, wide bandgap semiconductors dominate, with silicon accounting only for 5%. Silicon carbide is considered to lead this race and corresponds to 69% of votes, with gallium nitride supporting transition to wide bandgap materials and 26% of votes accordingly. Silicon carbide has already proven itself in electric vehicle traction inverters, and it continues to expand its market share, with more automotive companies adopting silicon carbide solutions. However, in a few years from now, we may expect gallium nitride to hold a good share of automotive power electronics equipment, from onboard chargers to main inverter. Electrification of everything pushes semiconductor industry to new limits, and it is obvious that the next 10 years will bring us many new interesting products. Here's top 5 power semiconductors news in December. Toshiba Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation has launched Chopper silicon carbide MOSFET modules with a rating of 3.3 kV and 800 amps, using third-generation silicon carbide MOSFET and SBD chips for industrial equipment, and has expanded its lineup. The new products adopt the IXPLV package with silver sintering internal bonding technology and high compatibility with mounting. Today, some applications tend to increase bus voltage, and using 1200-volt silicon carbide power modules can no longer correspond to voltage requirements. Using 1700-volt silicon carbide devices can solve the problem, but it comes with a price. Lippert Semiconductor announced a new series of 1.4 kV silicon carbide power modules in already familiar E0 and ED3S packages. They are the perfect solution to the mentioned problem, proving great performance and affordable price. A plan by ROM and Toshiba Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation to collaborate in the manufacture and increased volume production of power devices has been recognized and will be supported by the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry as a measure supporting the Japanese government's target of secure and stable semiconductor supply. Power Integrations announced a new family of plug-and-play gate drivers for 62mm silicon carbide MOSFET and silicon IGBT modules rated up to 1.7 kV, with enhanced protection features to ensure safe and reliable operation. Infineon Technologies introduced 4.5 kV IGBT modules that will fundamentally change the landscape for medium voltage drives and transportation applications operating at 2000 to 3300 volt AC in 2 and 3 level topologies. That's it for today. I wish you a wonderful holiday season, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'd like to remind you that the next issue of Power Semiconductors Weekly newsletter will reach you in the beginning of February. See you next year!